everybody, so it's me again, and with the airplane starfighter, so I had only two, so level 3 will come up soon. So then it took a long time for me to make the figures for it. Okay, so the first one, the laser shooters. Okay, so the laser shooters, they have another special movement. Is that when you put the blade on top here, on the one of the guns, it will then bounce the laser to somewhere else. Okay, so that's it for the laser blaster. Now for the landing gear. Okay, so basically this is the landing gear. So when the plane wants to land, this lands here on the landing gear. That's the landing gear. Okay, so technically when I remove this, it will become a car. So actually this is a car, but it connects with the plane, so level 3 will be coming. Okay, so it will take longer. It's like King Kong. Yeah, so that is so. Basically, I do have Lego figures that I hate. Okay, so the Lego figure that I hate is Crabger. Okay, so this one ain't real. That's why I hate it. I just hate it. So this is Crabger, the crown. Okay, so you can see the difference. The Crabger that has eyebrows that are white. Okay, maybe the Lego figures can connect with the airplane, but this one's for your character, Eris. Okay, so I think I'm going to give this away. Probably this is like a mech legs. So I'm going to make a mech for now. See? Mech legs. Okay, so next, I'll tell you what I'm going to build next. The blood rifle mech. I don't have to make that out of Legos, but I'll try my best. Okay, so bye.